Who is DESCO Industries Incorporated? Established in 1979, DESCO Industries Incorporated has grown into a multi-industry manufacturing company. DII primarily manufactures products for the electronics production supplies, electronics packaging, and medical and dental contract manufacturing industries. With locations across the United States, the UK, Mexico, and Japan, we deliver trusted products where and when they are needed. Our brands are more than product lines, they're problem solvers. From Swiss machining to electronics manufacturing through cleanroom packaging, DII brands offer quality products for a variety of applications. Our brands are supported by direct service, local representatives, and a network of distributors and resellers. SES offers the electronics manufacturing industry's most advanced ESD monitoring systems and packaging. As a vertically integrated manufacturer, from raw materials to finished goods, SES controls every step of the process to ensure quality, innovation, and reliability. DESCO, along with DESCO Europe, Asia, and Mexico, delivers comprehensive ESD control solutions. DESCO offers a diverse range of ESD control products that can be used in areas where ESD-susceptible devices are handled. DESCO is supported by local manufacturer reps, distributors, and resellers worldwide. EMIT delivers software-driven testing devices for managing and verifying personnel grounding verification and access to ESD-protected areas. Protective Pack manufactures a comprehensive range of rigid packaging solutions, including custom-engineered options designed to protect and handle ESD-susceptible devices. Menda supports lean manufacturing and 5S initiatives with workbench accessories, tools, and organizational products that improve efficiency and workflow. Easy Braid serves the PCB assembly industry with trusted desoldering braid, stencil rolls, soldering consumables, and equipment. Tronex engineers high-precision cutting tools, pliers, and tweezers for industries where accuracy matters, from electronics and aerospace to medical devices. EDSYN delivers precision-built hand tools and engineered solutions ranging from soldering to fume extraction that optimize performance in electronics production. StatGuard Flooring offers a full line of ESD flooring and maintenance products, including resilient tiles, epoxy coating, and conductive floor finishes. Special Team provides certified cleanroom manufacturing and packaging services for the medical device industry, offering turnkey solutions from assembly to sterilization. ProNet delivers contract manufacturing and engineering services from an ISO and FDA certified facility, supporting customers in regulated industries with quality, precision, and compliance. But what sets DII apart isn't just our products, it's our people. Their knowledge, commitment, and care power everything we do. From the factory floor to the customer site, we're there. The sun never sets on DESCO Industries.